Ready, set, compost. A community of bicyclists gathered at Brook Park Garden to participate in a Bronx Compost Bike Tour.
We've come together in the Bronx to be able to organize this Compost Bike Tour in order to amplify zero waste initiatives within the borough, but specifically to be able to amplify increasing local processing capacity.
We now do these bike tours about twice a year. We always have a wait list. So this is the first time we're like, we don't want to have a wait list anymore. We want anybody who can make it to attend. And then we also have a community barbecue, but it's a zero waste barbecue. So we don't want anything to go to make garbage for a good cause. And it's all donations, it's all free.
When we're talking about environmental justice, cycling is one of the best ways you could get around town without emitting pollution. And then when it comes to food scrap drop-offs and things like that, that help kind of eliminate waste, and connecting with folks from the other boroughs, I felt it was a great, respectful way for them to bring what they're doing to us here.
Composting is the natural process of recycling organic matter such as leaves and food and fruit scraps into a valuable fertilizer that can enrich soil and plants. In response to recent budget cuts to services like composting in New York City, Bronx-based worker cooperative Green Fiend partnered with WeRadiate and Bike the Bronx in order to bring awareness to community composting and environmental efforts taking place locally across the borough.
A lot of the different sites here in the community are able to process the compost, and we want to be able to support the city and making sure more people know about it, but specifically around environmental justice issues, not just compost for the fun part of it, but how people are actually affected by these inequitable waste practices.
This hybrid event, led by local volunteer-led community groups, has taken place in the outer boroughs and is the first of its kind here in the Bronx.
We wanted to come here for the longest time, but we wanted to work with specifically Bronx organizers. They know the spaces well, they know the locations, they know the people.
The Bronx is breathing, the Bronx is beautiful, the Bronx is the greenest borough out of every other borough in this city. And I think a lot of times it's important for us to recognize that we have a lot of the expertise and the artistry, and I use compost as art. And so the idea is to be able to have people connect with it, to understand that there is more to life, that even being in the city environment, there's still very much a lot of life around us, even with so much death in the buildings and all the things that's happening. So it's really important to get people really reconnected back to the land and to get them rethinking their waste practices. So hopefully we can get a couple more folks who are like interested in biking but don't know too much about compost to touch it and maybe kind of change their waste handling practices.
To stay up to date with efforts and future events in the Bronx, follow at Green Fiend Organics on Instagram. Reporting for BronxNet, Sonji Lopez.